Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active Azure subscription and sufficient permissions. Once confirmed, create or pick a resource group. This group's related resources for management and billing. Next, choose the region closest to your users to reduce latency, then pick a VM size and OS image based on workload. Make sure to provision SSH keys or set a strong password for access. These first actions establish the environment, so subsequent steps focus on provisioning and networking without rework or permission errors. Once done with basics, configure the VM and networking in the Azure portal or CLI. Choose an appropriate VM SKU and storage performance, SSD for I/O-heavy tasks, HDD for low-cost archives. Create a virtual network and subnet to isolate traffic, then add network security group rules to open only needed ports such as 22 for SSH or 3389 for RDP. Attach a public IP to the NIC if public access is required, and enable boot diagnostics and monitoring so you can inspect logs. You finish by reviewing and accepting the deployment template, then start the VM and check its provisioning state. After it boots, connect using SSH or RDP to validate network and credentials, apply OS updates, and create necessary users or keys. Make sure to configure backups and restart behavior. If something goes wrong, first verify network security group rules and the VM's public IP. Then check subnet routing and any VPN or firewall that might block traffic. Fixing one misconfigured rule typically restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.